Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to create multiple desktop on your single laptop. So as you can see, I'm using this laptop or desktop, whatever you can say. And here you want to create separate desktops, for example, for work, for your family, for home, separate desktop for some project. So how do you do that? It's very easy. Well, simply you have to go to this icon that is called task view icon. So here, if I like hover around it, I can see like one desktop which is already the current one, and another desktop which is showing that is called new desktop. If I click on this plus, another desktop is created. So right now I'm in desktop 2. Sorry. If I go to this desktop, it's plain. If I go to this desktop, you can see one app is open, that is MS Teams. For example, now if I want to use this app in this desktop 1, I can simply drag and drop it in desktop 1. You can see, yeah. So if I go to desktop 1 again, this app is opened. So this is how you drag and drop one app in desktop from one desktop to another. For example, again, I want to take this app to desktop 2. I'll simply go to desktop. This already I'm in desktop 1. I'll simply click here, and what I would do is, yeah, I'll simply click here. This app I want to drag and drop in desktop 2. You can see it has gone to desktop 2. This is how you uh, drag and drop one app from one desktop to another. And let me see if I can change. Yeah, you can also rename this desktop. For example, this is my office desktop, and this is my, sorry, I go here again. This is my home desktop. Here, how I can rename my desktops here. So let me try to uh, choose background. Yeah, if I choose background here, for example, if I go for this, let me see, you can see if I click on my personalized background, my desktop 1 has been changed, but my desktop 2 has that different, that original background as it was before. I'll simply click no. So this is how you change background in respective desktops. For example, I want to change in desktop to something else. So I'll simply go here, right click with the task view, right click, choose background. And if I go for some solid color, let's see. But as you can see, the total desktops are changed. If I go for solid color, if I go for maybe slideshow show, or maybe Windows Spotlight, I think it's changing in both. So here I can only change by picture. As you can see, if I click this, if I go for picture, then only I can choose separate pictures in both the in different desktops. For example, I'll go for a new desktop, the third desktop. Let me see, this is the third one. And here, if I want to choose background, and if I choose a picture here, you can see this is a unique picture which is changed in only desktop 3, and it is desktop 2, home, office, and desktop 3. So this is how I can only change the picture separately in each desktop. If I go for some solid colors, it is changing in all 3 desktops. So this is how you change the background of a desktop. And let me see something else if I can do. Move right. If I choose here, I moved it to right. If I choose move left, it is again coming to left. I think you can also drag and drop like this instead of going for right click. If I close this, let me see. Yeah, if I right click and close, I simply delete 211 desktops. So this is how you play with all the functions of creating new desktops. So friends, that's it. I hope you knew a very interesting thing today, how to create more than one desktop in your single device and work separately on separate apps, on separate projects without disturbing the other. So friends, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life easier. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.